not called feet.
What do you call it?
Wheels.
Oh, tires. Okay.
Car wash.
See this one? It's so dirty. No, it's not. You will see when mom pick the before and after.
Well, it's not gonna change.
I know, turn up.
Yeah, just put it in.
And then I'm gonna use the brush number 2. This one.
It squirts out some stuff.
No,
How?
my turn.
Huh?
Short, okay.
See now, we're not even going in.
I don't know.
Take
Is it heavy now?
Yeah, it's a little bit heavy.
It's not.
Heavier than I expected.
Is it heavy, Tikon?
No.
It's not heavy, but it's heavier than I expected.
No, it's not.
Do it.
Well, where's my...
No.
Oh, it doesn't work?
How much is that?
Oh, 20 cents, it doesn't work.
No, only 50 cents.
Oh, man.
It's
Then
50
you can
cents.
just do 50 cents and then 50 cents again.
Yep. Okay, there you
There
go.
you go. Put it in.
Now.
Am I supposed to turn around? What?
It's so cold.
Keep going. Keep going, Atikan. Keep going.
Okay.
At
Long
least we made
turn.
it to the end.
Good. Excellent job. Okay.
Yeah. forwards.
Hindi na naman ito.